Hey guys, what's up? It's me, Tony Mac from Tampa Bay, and today I'm here at the air show here at MacDill Air Force Base. There's a lot of there are a lot of military airplanes, and the military service goes ahead and puts on a show for air shows, showing off like their cargo planes and their fighter jets and such. So it's a fun event, and so just give us a moment and we'll see some more nice fun things here at the air show. I think I got
it. Ladies and gentlemen, from the left, from the U.S. Air Force Global Strike Command, I present to you the Northrop B-2 Spirit Stealth Bomber. Proximity to one another with a high degree of safety, and in order to deconflict and ensure that safety, the aircraft joining on or flying off one another.
Alright, so I'm here in front of an American flag at Airfest, and I just want to show you a little bit around. There's some
inbound now again from the right,
more airplanes to navigate. Take a peek inside these jets and planes and such. As you can see, they're still doing their tricks. Okay guys, so here I'm in front of a cargo plane for the Army. I'm gonna walk right in and show you what it looks like.
Yes, we'll have tomorrow. Should be all together.
So there's seats here on the left, and there's seats on the right. As you can see, my military friend told me that, excuse me, sorry, you could, excuse me? Wait, let's just get out of this crowd a little. Okay, so I just had to sit down. So here, the left and the right of this cargo plane has seats. And according to my military friend, is that he said he could fly for free anywhere, like around the States, if he's in the military. But a lot of times it will be like in a cargo plane, like the left and the right here. So you might have like, I don't know, maybe like a tank in front of you, and then, or whatever it is, or storage or ammunition, and then it's you, the tank, and people on the side, left and the right. of these planes. And so, but he said the cockpit is not pressurized. So, you know, when you go on a regular plane, there's pressurized, and it tries to make it a comfortable ride. Well, sometimes these sort of flights aren't pressurized from the side here, so your ears could hurt, and you know, you feel everything. But you know, you get a free ride. But at least that's what I've been told. I'm not 100% sure. And this was quite a few years ago he told me this. And I just want to share, this is the cargo plane we just left, the one that we went into. You can Google some information on it if you want more information. That's a wrap here from Tampa Bay, and I'll see you next time. I'm leaving the air show. Don't forget to like, follow, and subscribe for both me and Buns and I here at our channel. Thanks again. See you later.